this video I will show you how to factory hard reset your Casio G-Shock GBD-200. So maybe you want to reset all your settings to default ones, or maybe you're selling or turning this phone and you want to basically erase everything and unpair it from your phone and return to the factory state. So this is how to do it basically. At first you have to use your mode button to go to the main watch face. So where you can see your time currently, and make sure you first go to that one. Then you have to basically use this upper button and hold it basically like 2 or 3 seconds maybe, and you will get access to these settings. Then using this lower button we can cycle down, okay, and keep cycling, okay. And here you can see this reset all option. So it will reset all settings and basically everything. So to start, basically press this start button, this one here, and click execute basically. Okay, then again press the start button to execute basically. Okay, are you sure? Yep. And this will take some while. So be kind of patient with this process, as it takes like a couple of minutes at least. So not sure how long it takes, but yeah, let's wait. And oh, it's not that long, so it actually took like maybe 10 seconds. And as you see, the watch is like reset to basically factory state. You see all the steps gets lost, all the date, all the time, everything is like on the brand new watch. So this is how I do it on the Casio G-Shock GBD-200. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!